I can't wait to see this. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, baby. What's going on, guys? Hunter Robinson here, back again with another episode of The Perfect Cast. Jesse and I back at it again on the boat, doing some catfishing, hoping to get into big fish tonight. We just got the boat in the water and coming up on our first hole now. So yeah, anyways, before we get into this, please smash that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get after it. Aye. Just want to show you guys what I'm throwing. That light might be too bright. Anyways, we got the Whisker Seeker Full Metal Jacket 7.6 one-piece rod. Love this rod. And as far as my rigs go, very simple, very effective. We have the Carolina rig, so my main line comes down into an easy clip sinker slide. That's from Whisker Seeker to a rubber bumper stop. Got the barrel swivel into my leader line, which is 50 pound, and then a 10-aught circle hook, triple threat, and a Versa rattle with some beads. All Whisker Seeker stuff. If you're interested in any of this stuff, be sure to check out whiskerseeker.com, and you can use the code PerfectCast15 at checkout for 15% off your purchase. Bait number one. Bait number two. Number two going out. And number three, I'm just going to throw this head out. Now this is a double setup. 2 shad chrome Versa rattles with the Whisker Seeker 10-aught circle hook. That's the triple threat. Bait number three. We're on one. I don't know what bait this was. I can't remember. Seemed like that was a channel cat. He did pull some drag. First fish of the night. Probably about, what do you think, Jesse? 15 minutes? Yeah. 15 minutes in, we're on one. I think I'm clear here. I can duck under this rod. It does not feel massive. It's not at all, but duck this under. I think it's a channel cat. Could be wrong. Oh, that's a flathead. Little flathead, but that's all right. Look at the grass. Still got my bait. Let's go. Don't want to lose the bait. What's up, little buddy? All right. There he is. Number one. Sweet. All right, first boy of the night, flathead. Love to see it. Hopefully we get many more and bigger ones. Let them go.
That's for sure.
See ya. Found it. Skunk's off the boat.
Yeah, early.
Let's get more. Still got my bait too. That's the best part. That was a little, that's one of my favorite pieces of cut bait there. Little piece of stomach. Let's go. That's screaming drag. How's it feel?
Oh yeah, it's feel decent.
Nice. Definitely pulling the boat around. Big time.
big fish.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. Good deal, man. We came back here, spot number 2. And nobody's back here. And we're on to Jesse's into a big fish. Think it's your PB?
I don't know. He's not fighting very much, but he's heavy.
Could he be caught in a bunch of grass?
No, he's starting to fight.
I haven't seen anything yet. How far did you bomb that thing out there? I don't even see anything.
He's starting to come in.
Where you at, big boy? He's staying down. I don't see this.
Shit. Oh, I went past the road. Didn't he? Yeah, he did.
Oh yeah, that's a real nice one. Let's go, man. Yep. He is turning the boat all around.
This thing's big.
Let's go, man. That's awesome, Jesse. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. That's probably a 30.
It might be 30, yeah. Oh, he's definitely 30.
He's not ready to give up.
He must be hooked pretty good.
Yeah. What kind of bait do you have for him?
That was the big ass one that I cut the tail off of, and then half of his head, the whole half of it was cut off. All I did was chop the tail, head and everything. It was still there.
Come on, buddy. Oh, he got a busted up mouth. Come on. He's not hooked the greatest. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a good fish, man.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, yeah. I guess you with the hook.
No. Wow. Oh, yeah, dude. That's a big boy, man. That's a big boy. He was not hooked that good.
Yeah,
Look at his mouth busted up.
He's been ripped off before.
Yep. Wow. Oh yeah, look at him look, he scraped the crap out of me.
Yeah, he did.
Down his mouth.
Nice.
There.
I still got my bait too.
Yeah. That's a big fish, man. I can't wait to see what he weighs. What do you think? That's a big old fish.
30.
Yeah, he's gotta be. Let me get the scale out. That's what we came back here for. You know. I'm glad I said let's go back here.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I mean.
Me too.
Oh yeah. You go ahead and do the honors. I can't wait to see this. Here we go. Let's see. Oh baby. 30. Oh, hold on. Keep him still. 32.6.
No shit.
Yep, 32.6.
Damn.
Dude, that's awesome though.
No, it's awesome.
Let's go. Look, he busted me up. I
You're
got
sitting on 33 and you keep catching 32s, bro. That shit sucks.
Dude, that's an awesome fish though, man. Hold him up sideways. Look at that monster, man. That is a big old fish. Jesse with a 32.6 in the boat. Love to see it, man. That is sweet.
Awesome. Let's get him back.
Yep, let's get him back. Big boy, baby. 32.6. Probably going to be the winner of the night. We'll see, though. 15 minutes in the spot, too. How about it, Jesse?
Man, that's awesome.
That is awesome. Gosh, I love those fish. Look at the head on them. These are the coolest fish in the world.
I agree.
My favorite part about them is, you know, once you think you have them figured out,
Thanks, buddy.
you don't. 32.6, dude.
Come on, guy.
How many 30s is that in this boat this year so far?
A lot. A lot. That's got to be number 10 at least. There we go.
He's gone. See you, buddy. Back to the depths.
Awesome.
Pound it, bro. Good job. Let's go. Let's get some more. Dude, that came out of nowhere. I don't think it's that big though. No. It just really took some drag. I don't know, he was on top of the water out there. He's not that big. Oh well. Another flathead. I mean, he's not a bad fish. My hands are already all jacked up tonight. Number 2 for me, number 3 total. Decent flathead, pretty flathead. Sweet. Man, he really took that down though. That was,
yeah.
He took
I thought
off.
for sure that was going to be a weighty fish.
I did too. Get him released. See ya. There he goes. Cool color one.
Yeah.
Sweet. Pound it.
Yeah,
Well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. We are wrapping it up. 3 fish in the boat tonight. Missed a few. Jesse with the biggest at what was it?
32.6.
32.6. So not a terrible night, kind of weird, super slow.
I got a side job and we'd be out late.
Yeah. He has a side job tomorrow. We'd be here all night, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I appreciate you watching. Till next time. Aye.